Hello, everybody. I'm Jim Delo, host of Jed in the Region here on AM 1230 WJOB in Hammond, Indiana. Another nasty day of weather, and that dominated the radio this morning. We took about 50 to 55 phone calls of spin-outs, jackknife trucks, closed ramps. Of course, we kept giving schools closing and schools on delays. Those came in as we were on the air. Typically, those decisions are made the night before. But it got so nasty this morning with the blowing snow that it happened like in real time. So we gave you those school closings, and we covered all of the bad roads. Of course, we're at the bottom of Lake Michigan, and we're looking at a number of inches of snow throughout the day. But the worst part is that it's all blowing around here. Take a look at some of the phone calls from this morning's show here on Wednesday, February 5th of 2014.
That is, and it's blowing. I mean, it looks to me like it's blowing out of the northeast.
Until we got to Klein Avenue North, and it's backed up there.
Well, there's lights up there. I don't know, but it looks like a car drove off the bridge.
Jammed up as well. Looks like a semi, and you can see emergency lights there as well.
I'm thinking I got my granola bars and my extra bottles of water.
Coming from LaPorte all the way westbound on 94 is terrible.
Car spun out on the ramp, which closed the entire ramp down.
But the roads are terrible.
I'm good. I'm looking at a complete mess. There's a semi stuck. There's two big rigs there trying to get it out.
So there it is. You guys helped out a lot this morning with all of the phone calls. That's kind of how we do it as local community radio. There really aren't that many things that are that much more beautiful than local radio working when it needs to be there. And you guys were there. And with that being said, there's a lot of kids sitting around at home, and they're not doing a lot today. And so watch out on the roadways. Debbie Wargo's with me. Debbie Wargo is the general manager here of WJOB, and she just got back from vacation.
Yes, and I would like to thank our new sponsor, Gloves in a Bottle. Gloves in a Bottle is like wearing gloves on your hands. Jim, try
hey, why not, huh? You know, I'm big on the lotion and the chapsticks. No, I very rarely wear lotion. And part of it is I don't like the smell. This stuff basically doesn't have a scent, and you can kind of feel that's the name, Gloves in a Bottle. You get this like protective sheen, and it's not greasy. It actually works.
It's like wearing an invisible pair of gloves. We'd also like to thank our sponsors for basketball, Walsh Construction, who is our gold sponsor, and also Dr. Michael Mintz. Ileana Endodontics is our halftime sponsor. Don't forget to check on an elderly neighbor today, as there are no Meals on Wheels as well.
All right, guys, AM 1230 WJOB.